Hey guys, Chris Larsson, Managing Principal Broker of Oswego Real Estate Group. Today I want to talk a little bit about what it means to buy a property that has deeded rights for swim or boat easements in Lake Oswego. So what is an easement? An easement is basically rights to access the lake. There are over 3,000 homes that have deeded access to 20 different easements around the lake. So the easiest way to find out if your property has easement rights is to go to the Lake Corp's website. It's at lakecorp.com. Click on the easement tabs, go down here, and there's actually a direct address entry right here that you can fill out to see if you're eligible for easements. And if you are, let's say for example, you could go have rights to the Blue Heron easement. You click on the Blue Heron easement tab down here, and then it comes up with all the contact information to contact them about joining, the fee structures, how many boat slips are available, how many canoe racks are available. It's just a very, very easy way to find out if you can be a member and what those costs associated with joining may be. Hey, so thanks for joining us today to learn a little bit more about what it means to buy a piece of property with swim and boat easement rights.